Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a BoxyLuxe unboxing. I'm super excited. I actually did get BoxyLuxe this month. I already opened it and looked at everything because, to be honest, I'm really impatient. But look at how massive this box is, okay? It is huge. So BoxyLuxe is every 3 months you pay $50 instead of $21 and you get, what is it, over $300 worth of products. This is the card that you get. It's huge. It's a huge card for a huge box. Has all of the products and their pricing. It also has a 30% off coupon for PYT. The code is PYTBoxy30. I will put these coupon codes up on the screen and in the description box if you guys want to use them. The next one is Elemis. I don't know if that's how you say it. This is a 15% off coupon and the code is Boxy15. And then there is a Tarte coupon for 10% off and the code is Boxy DEC, so December, Boxy DEC. So if you guys want to use any of those, so I'm just gonna dive right in. I've already used this twice. I used this last night and this morning. This is the Elemis, I don't know if that's how you say it, Pro Collagen Marine Cream. So it's supposed to reduce appearance of wrinkles. It says it is a potent cocktail of seaweeds, has been blended with ginkgo, biloba, rose, and mimosa to moisturize and visibly improve fine lines. It is the ultimate anti-aging cream and it will leave your skin feeling supple, firm, and radiant. This retails for $89. That is expensive. That's pricey right there. That's more than I paid for the box, so that's awesome. I did notice my skin last night and this morning. My skin does feel more plump and it just feels very hydrated, so I'm actually really excited to keep using this. The next thing in here is this Spongelle Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. This retails for $20 and it says it will cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. It is formulated with extracts of yuzu. Okay, I don't know any of those words, so I'm not going to say them, but so this retails for $20. I really have no idea what this is. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. I'm surprised it smells that good. I'm excited. So you get it wet and then you can like buff your skin basically, and it has body wash infused into it, which is pretty cool. The next thing I see is this Pretty Vulgar The Powder Room Mad About It Translucent Setting Powder. I love Pretty Vulgar's packaging. I think it's adorable. So this retails for $32. So this has like a cute little powder puff. It's like adorable. It's pink and it's super cute. I don't know if I actually would use this, but it's really cute and I'm excited to test this powder out. And their packaging is just the cutest. I love it. Okay, the next thing in here, which is like huge, this is the Luxie Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set. And this retails for $65. I really like all of the Luxie brushes that I have tried, and all of them I've got have been from Boxycharm, but I do like them a lot. I think they're really nice. That's a really nice set. Okay, then the next thing in here is this Suva Beauty Protege palette. This is what the palette looks like. It's really pretty, it's simple, doesn't have too much going on. I will swatch all of these for you. Okay, my swatches are not the best, so don't judge me. I guess we're gonna go over tattoos because I have nowhere else to do it. So this is Era. It's just a really pretty, be a really good highlight shade for the face. And then that is Poetic, which is a really light like lilac, so you can barely see that anyways. Then there is Structure. That one's really pretty. And Aesthetic, which that one looks a little patchy and a little powdery, but not bad. Plus, you never know with swatches. They could swatch beautifully and look like crap on the eyes, and they can swatch like crap and look beautiful on the eyes. They feel really creamy. They do. They feel really nice. Okay, then there is Tact, which looks like a really good transition shade. They're not really showing up that well. This is Balance. Wow, that's pretty. Then there is Conscious. That looks pretty decent. And then Theory, which is another highlight shade. Wow, that is pretty. So those are all the shades in that palette. This palette retails for $34. So it says there are 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows and 2 brilliant highlighters in this palette. Oh man, I'm gonna have to scrub my arm. The next thing in here is the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. I have the shade Insta Famous. This looks really pretty and I'm actually very excited about it. I think I'm gonna put it on my lips to test it out. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay. Ooh, it smells really good too. Yeah, that looks really pretty. It's like very shiny. It's pretty sticky. Well, I'll show you a swatch of just that. It's really sticky. Really, really sticky. That is it right there. It's very pretty. Okay, then I got the Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. This retails for $25. And I'm not going to try this yet because I have so many open mascaras. I need to go through them before I open any new ones. The next thing is this Crimes of Beauty Wristlet and Portable Charger. I love this bag. It is super cute. And then on the inside, it comes with this portable charger. This retails for $22. I'm totally going to use the bag, but I'm on a couple Boxycharm Facebook pages, and apparently these are like heating up and melting and like burning. So I'm not actually gonna try this. I'm not gonna use it. That's like not worth it for me to try to use that. So I'm just gonna stick with the bag. The bag is super cute. It's gonna be really cute and easy to just throw your everyday makeup in, or just your touch-up makeup, and put this in your purse. I really love it, and it feels really nice too. It's not just like it's not just a cheap makeup bag. It's actually really nice. And then the last thing in here that I'm legitimately so excited about, this is the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadows. I've been wanting to try Violet Voss shadows for a while. I've just never like picked it. I've never like gone through with it and bought one of the palettes. I'm so excited that I got this palette. This retails for $45, and I'm so excited. Okay, you have a nice big mirror on it, like really nice. The packaging is it feels very sturdy and very nice. These are the shades. They're just so pretty. It's like the perfect everyday warm neutral with like some pops of red over here palette. I'm only gonna swatch a couple of them, and ooh, these are creamy. So 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. So the first one right here is Hashtag. Oh yeah, that's good. That looks pretty. Then the next one is Are You Kidding Me? Looks pretty good. And then On Fleek. Wow. Wow, that looks so pretty. And then Cool Beans. Wow. That like straight up covered my tattoo. That shimmer did. Those are really pretty. I'm very excited about this palette. Very, very excited. That's probably the thing that won me over for this. I'm so excited. I'm excited to keep getting the Luxe. I think it's totally worth it. I think it's great. I think it's a great value and a great price. Okay, so I just added everything up in this box. I paid $50 for the box, and the box is valued at over $350. That's crazy. I know, I say it every single time. Boxycharm is awesome. I love it. I never regret purchasing it. Even if I don't like everything in the box, they're perfect to gift to people, to give away. You can even sell the items you don't want and make some of your money back, but it is always worth it. And I'm so excited to see what the next BoxyLuxe is gonna be. They do BoxyLuxe every 3 months, so March, June, September, and December are the months I think that they do them in. So every 3 months. I mean, 4 big boxes like that a year, and that's like a ton of makeup. So I'm super excited. I love that they added skincare, at least one skincare product into it. I wish they would add some more skincare products. I would appreciate that. I would appreciate some more skincare products. I know some other people got straighteners, like hair straighteners as well. Let me know what you guys got in your box this month, if you signed up for BoxyLuxe or if you're still on the waiting list. Let me know what you thought about this month's box. I thought the BoxyLuxe was amazing. I think everything was worth it. 2 of the items, well, honestly, just the face cream was worth it for me, and then you add 2 eyeshadow palettes, a setting powder, mascara, a lip product, like it had everything you needed in it. So I'm super excited about this month's box. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I post 3 every week. I did film this eye look and this face makeup in a couple different videos. They will probably be coming up next because I'll probably put this video up first, but you can look forward to seeing those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Over him, I got no rules, I count 'em.